Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook online friends list not showing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, this is going to be a very easy fix. First of all, we're going to close Facebook. Once we do that, we're going to then go to our settings. You can do that by searching for the settings application. Once you go to the settings application, then you're going to click on the apps. Then from apps, then it's going to show you this list and click on see all apps. Then from here, you're going to search for Facebook. Now from here, all you have to do is to click on the storage and cache. And then from here, you're going to click on the clear cache button. Once you clear your cache, then you're going to go back and then make sure that for the permissions, everything is enabled. So you can go through each one, for example, location, and then make sure that it is set to always only allow when using the app. Now from here, you're going to clear your settings. And then finally, you're going to search for the Play Store or the App Store. Now from here, going to click on the search and then search for Facebook. Once you go to Facebook, you're going to see the first option, click on it. And now from here, in case you notice that it says update instead of the word open, as you can see in front of you, then make sure to click on update so that you are on the latest version of Facebook with no issues. And once you click on update and renews, and once you open it, your problem should be solved. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.